This stage, I call it the priming stage in the rubber printing technique. So here I'm taking pure titanium white, which has been mixed with some water. Not too much water, just a smidgen, so it stays over it roughly. It gives it texture. So all the printing areas, I'm going to prime them with titanium white. Gently, gently. Here I'm using, you can use the filbert or the flat to fill in the priming surfaces. So you make sure you cover them. You might have to go over them twice, but you take your time. If you cover them up properly, the colors are going to stand out better, and to prevent the colors from sinking in. So it gives it a very nice ground, an opaque ground for other colors to stand. When you're putting in the colors, you can start from the top to the bottom. It all depends on your own preference. Here I started most of my work from the bottom of the surface area to the top. Sometimes I do the other way around. Initially, you might not be very precise in your placement. Just take your time slowly. That's why this design is something I chose for us to learn. It incorporates letters and also an image. So you can see how I fill them in little by little, one by one. Sometimes you hold the brush horizontally, sometimes you tilt it to another side, so you can fill in the angles appropriately. This priming stage is it's quite important. It will help the colors to adhere to the fabric even much better. It will help it to set in properly. After the priming stage, and the painting stage proper will begin.